Okay, so I have waited for that Meteor add to finish. Here you can see it has loaded, and I did the other npm install we had to do, this one, and I waited for that, and I skipped that part for you. So we are currently right here in our list, finished this, and now we have to create the file collection. So ostrio files package works like this. You create a collection and you have to construct it. So right here you can see the constructor wiki. You create a new file collection and you add the configuration you want as which is an object. So let me show you an example they have right here. They import the package, and then they create a constant called images, which is a new file collection, and it has this huge object. It finishes over here, and then they export it. So this object can have many things. They have specified everything you can put in this object, like the configuration settings you want to put for your project. It depends on what you want to do. So here they have some basic ones. I'll try to explain them for you. You can choose the storage path, the download route. Over here you can choose how big the files you want to upload, like here. So before you upload it, you can check if the file is a image. So you can check if the file is .png or .jpg, and you can check if the size is smaller. So here you can, with this constructor you can basically manage everything with your file system, with your file collection, right? You can actually make it like way more simple. I'll show you the one I made. So over here I have the file collection I called it, and it's called user files, and it has all this. And right here it's basically the one you saw in the wiki. Here we check it's an image and it's smaller than this, and some download callback. Yeah, you can check the wiki if you want to like go deeper into this. Okay, so in our new project, I will open it over here in Visual Studio Code. So I'll just open a new file. We created in the desktop the project. Here is project and this one. So we select that one, and here it is. It's got pretty much nothing, the basics. So the first step was to create our file. So let's copy that from the one I created over here. This is the file collection. We'll put it over here. Sorry, not over here. We will create in the API. We will create the API. We will create a new file called, I don't remember. Just put this for now. And what we called it was files call, something like that. So let's change the name. Oh, we missed an S. You can call it whatever you want, but then you will have to make sure when you import it, you use the right path and everything. Okay, so we already finished that step. The next one is to create the two user interface components. So one is the individual file, and the other one